everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and this is week 7 of my renovation vlog. I'm not sure, I gotta double check.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah.
This has been the most dramatic week when it comes to the changes that happened to this place. The past few days I've been waking up tired. It's just I'm working here all day long, every day, trying to push through. I have 4 days until I move in, and when I'm going to show you, you're going to be like, you're crazy, how can you move here? But let's get to it and I'll talk you through what happened this week. The floors are in! I did all of it myself. If you've been following on Instagram at Karina Bonaduk, you saw some sneak peeks of this. All covered because I do have a new plumber and I did get a quote for somebody helping in the bathroom, but I am getting ahead of myself. Also, I want to protect them, you know, for moving everything. It's full here again because the office, which was my storage room area up until now, I had to put floors there, so I moved everything in here, and I probably have to move it all over again because the couch and all that is coming here in 4 days. 4 days, guys, 4 days. I can't even. So flooring is in, baseboards are in. I still have to do a coat of paint. These are the old baseboards, if you can see. In some places I use the ones that I had before because they're already pre-cut and done for here. So in the living room, actually, I used the old ones. I just painted them with Acrylics, one coat, and I will have to paint them one more time, which I'm probably gonna do today. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just ordered plates off of Amazon. All of my plates, the plugs and the blank plates and everything will be screwless plates, so I'm super excited. I do have a lot of flooring left over. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and an open box, but I still have some flooring to do. As you can see, my water heater is in the middle of the kitchen, and here I put something under to dry because when we moved the water heater, there was some water in the pan. I really wish I would have taken a picture of it. It was all broken, so I got a new pan, and because it was already out and disconnected, I was like, let me fix this really nice, paint it all, put flooring all over. So I patched it up yesterday. I'm still waiting for the mud to dry so I can sand it, and I'll do the flooring in here today, and then I will be all done with flooring. And then let's go in here. There's a dramatic change in the bathroom. I don't know if you're ready. Okay. No more gravel and everything everywhere, so I'm waiting for somebody to give me a quote and seeing how we can make a slope in here without having a lip. And let me explain what a lip is. I just stepped out of the bathroom because the fan is really loud in there, but a lip is just like a 2x4 or something that you put on the floor and then you tile over it just to have a little, kind of almost like a basin, so the water doesn't come out of there. So I do not want that. I want the floor and the bathroom floor to be flawless, just tile. So you have to have slopes that make the water go into the drain, and it will be my first shower and I want it done right. I decided to try to get help, so I'm waiting for a quote on that part, and then I will still do the tiling myself. It's just the concrete work that I need help with. So let's go back in there and I'll tell you more of what's going on. Okay, so there will be a glass shower door there, and it won't have a door to go in. It'll just be open, so it has to slide. It has to be in a slope there, and then in a slope all the way there to the drain. So this is why it needs to be done by a professional. And then I did patch up in here yesterday, so everything is patched up. I just need to sand, and then I'm waiting on that quote, but we should be all good in here. Another thing that happened here is this door. I've been thinking about it and thinking about it, and I will do a barn door here because this door, I have the right one now. It's a 24 left-hand door. 24 left-hand door, but it's just too tiny. Right now I have 27 inches difference here, so when I add the drywall, it's gonna be probably a 26, which is still kind of small. You know, you want to have at least a 28, but at least it won't be a closet-sized door and you can still go in. and it will give this hallway a little bit of a oomph, you know. So I decided to go with a barn door, which I ordered today, and I should get October 2nd. So I'm pretty excited. So I'll have barn doors there, and then I will have barn doors in my bedroom as well. So also, let me talk about this. I have doors, you guys. So I have doors there. This is the linen closet door. They don't have the knobs yet because obviously I still have to paint them. The difference is quite nerving. Is that a word? I don't know. But I have all black hinges for all of them. The hardware will be black as well. What I want to point out is that it was the first time of me putting floor down, and both of my bedrooms are like almost across from each other, and my flooring goes all the way from one to another. So it's a continuous line. My floor guy did point out that this pattern, the stair pattern, is a rookie pattern, but I actually happen to like it, so I really don't care. And yeah, I did the baseboards in here. So this room is basically done. I just gotta paint the baseboards one more time, roll the walls one more time. Closet doors are in. I'm trying to look for what kind of knobs I want to have on the closet doors, but most of my doors are in. And then let's go into the master bedroom. I have the doors right here. Let me close them. And I want to take the time to give a shout out to Emmanuel for helping me hang the doors. I could not have done it without him, and actually helped me with all the doors, and I really appreciate it. I have to patch up right here because the plumber cut from the other side and it came undone, so I patched it up. I gotta sand it a little bit more and then attach that baseboard over there and then do my corner rounds. I keep calling them corner rounds, but they're quarter rounds. I'm gonna spell it on the screen because, you know, I felt pretty stupid when I went to the store and I saw how it's actually spelled. Vanity is still out here, but now it's closed on the other side. So today I gotta work on doing the drywall here, here, and here, and then I will be done with drywall work, and I'm so excited. Okay. And if you've been following last week, there we go. If you've been following last week, you saw that they dented, I wanted to say destroyed, they dented my roof, and I want to go outside and show you because I think they did a pretty good job patching it up. So let me show you. Oh well, it's raining again, but it is patched up. And I want to say that I used all this concrete and mud and stuff that I got from the bathroom, and I put it here because it was sloping towards the house. So now I'm going to try to make it to slope away from the house, and I do have to install gutters. So I will get to that hopefully soon. Okay, this was it for this week. I feel like I advanced a lot, even though there's still a lot going on and there's still a lot of work that I have to do. At least the living room and the bedrooms will be done today, and then I will be working on the bathrooms. Big shout out to Whitney for coming to roll. And when I say roll, I mean just paint roll in the living room. It helped a lot. And she offered me her shower, so even though I don't have a bathroom, I have a functioning toilet and I will have a place to shower until I finish my bathrooms, so that helps a lot. Make sure to follow on Instagram if you want to see what's happening throughout the week at Karina Benadu. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next Saturday. And that helps a lot. Change, dramatic week. I don't know how to say this. Yeah, so the past, so I say yeah a lot, and so, but anyways, we'll start over. I need some lip balm. Anyways, that's my word. Okay, stop rambling, let's get to it. So